In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start making money online with AdSense Arbitrage in 2023. Whether you're looking to monetize your blog, website, or any other platform, AdSense Arbitrage can help you earn money with ease. Here are 6 steps required to start making money with AdSense Arbitrage in 2023. Step 1. Understand how AdSense Arbitrage works. Before you can make money with AdSense Arbitrage, you must first understand how it works. AdSense Arbitrage is a method that involves redirecting low-cost traffic to a website that displays Google AdSense ads. The idea is to acquire cheap traffic and then earn a profit from the difference between the cost per click of the traffic and the amount you earn from AdSense. In simpler terms, you buy cheap traffic and make money from the Google AdSense ads displayed on your landing page. The process looks like this. Create a landing page with Google AdSense ads on it. Purchase traffic from various sources such as Facebook ads, Google AdWords, or any other platform that offers low-cost traffic and send it to the landing page. If your content is good enough, the cost to generate the traffic to your website will cost less than the amount you get paid by Google AdSense. The money left over is profit for you to keep. Step 2. Choose a high-paying niche. It's important that you choose a niche that is profitable and has high-paying AdSense ads. If the niche doesn't pay well, you won't be able to make money by arbitraging the traffic. The most profitable broad niches are as follows: personal finance and investments, health and wellness, technology and gadgets, legal services, home improvement and real estate, insurance, education and online courses, beauty and fashion, travel and tourism, food and cooking. Choose a niche that aligns with your interests and expertise, as this will make it easier for you to create high-quality content and build a loyal following. Remember, the niche you choose will greatly impact your AdSense earnings, so it's important to do your research and choose wisely. Step 3. Create a website and landing page with your chosen niche. Here are some tips for creating a landing page or website optimized for AdSense Arbitrage. Focus on user experience. Make sure your landing page or website is easy to navigate and provides a positive user experience. This will increase the likelihood of visitors clicking on AdSense ads. Choose a high-converting template. Use a template that has been proven to convert well for AdSense Arbitrage. This will help you achieve a high click-through rate and maximize your earnings. Place AdSense ads strategically. Place AdSense ads in prominent locations on your landing page or website, where they are likely to be seen and clicked by visitors. Use attention-grabbing ad formats. Experiment with different ad formats, such as display ads, link units, and in-article ads, to determine which ones work best for your landing page or website. Use relevant and high-quality images. Use images that are relevant to your content and of high quality to attract and engage visitors. Make sure your landing page or website is mobile-friendly. A majority of web traffic now comes from mobile devices, so it's important to ensure that your landing page or website is optimized for mobile viewing. Provide valuable and original content. Make sure your landing page or website provides valuable and original content that is relevant to your niche. This will attract visitors and increase the likelihood of AdSense clicks. By following these tips, you can create a landing page or website that is optimized for AdSense Arbitrage and maximizes your earnings potential. Step 4. Sign up for Google AdSense. Now that you've created your website, it's time to add Google AdSense ads to your landing pages. Here's the process for creating a Google AdSense account. Go to the Google AdSense website and click the Sign Up button. Provide basic information about yourself and your website. Include your name, address, and website URL. Review and accept the AdSense terms and conditions. Wait for Google to review your application. This may take a few days. Once your account is approved, link it to your website or landing page. This is typically done by adding a small piece of code to your website. Configure your AdSense settings, including ad formats, colors, and placement. Start displaying AdSense ads on your website or landing page and start earning money from clicks and impressions. It's important to follow AdSense policies and guidelines to avoid having your account banned or suspended. This includes ensuring your website or landing page has original, high-quality content and avoiding any deceptive or misleading practices. Step 5. Research and test traffic different resources. Your goal is to find traffic sources that cost less than you will make from your Google AdSense ads. We recommend testing the following paid traffic sources. Google AdWords. Use Google AdWords to target specific keywords and attract visitors who are searching for related content. Bing Ads. Use Bing Ads to target visitors who are searching on Bing and Yahoo, two of the largest search engines in the world. Facebook Ads. Use Facebook Ads to target specific demographics and interests and attract visitors who are using the largest social media platform in the world. Taboola and Outbrain. Use Taboola and Outbrain to promote your landing page or website on high-traffic websites and attract visitors through native advertising. LinkedIn Ads. Use LinkedIn Ads to target business professionals and attract visitors who are using the world's largest professional network. Twitter Ads. Use Twitter Ads to target specific demographics and interests and attract visitors who are using the world's largest microblogging platform. Instagram Ads. Use Instagrams to target specific demographics and interests and attract visitors who are using the world's largest photo and video sharing platform. It's important to note that you don't need a large budget to get started. You can begin with a budget of $50 to $100 and gradually increase it as you start seeing results. The key to success with AdSense Arbitrage is finding a source of cheap, high-quality traffic that is likely to convert into AdSense clicks. By using these paid traffic sources, you can drive targeted visitors to your landing page or website and increase your chances of success with AdSense Arbitrage. Step 6. Test and optimize to increase profits. If your website is not profitable via AdSense Arbitrage immediately, do not worry. One tweak might make the difference between losing money and collecting a healthy profit. We recommend using the following tactics to optimize your website to its fullest potential. A/B testing. Use A/B testing to test different elements of your landing page or website and determine which elements have the biggest impact on the click-through rate. Split testing. Use split testing to test different versions of your landing page or website and determine which version is the most effective. Heat mapping. Use heat mapping to track how visitors interact with your landing page or website and determine which elements are getting the most clicks. Landing page optimization. Optimize your landing page or website for a high click-through rate by using clear and concise headlines, eye-catching images, and compelling copy. Ad placement optimization. Optimize the placement of your AdSense ads on your landing page or website to ensure that they are highly visible and attract the most clicks. Ad format optimization. Optimize the format of your AdSense ads to ensure that they are engaging and appealing to visitors. User experience optimization. Optimize the user experience on your landing page or website to ensure that visitors are having a positive experience and are more likely to click on your AdSense ads. By using these optimization techniques, you can increase the click-through rate on your AdSense ads and increase your profits with AdSense Arbitrage. Good luck, and thanks for watching.